Hello everybody, this is Scott. I'm here with Dr. Nelson. He's going to go over some things about detoxing and how to get well, but first I'm going to go over his credentials and what he's done. So please bear with me. I'm trying to focus in here so you can see this, and I'm also going to try to read it out loud. So, Dr. Steve E. Nelson, he's had extensive education at the University of Wisconsin in the Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy, the University of Michigan, Doctor of Pharmacy, the University of Wisconsin Schools of Pharmacy and Medicine, Doctor of Philosophy, Clinical and Pharmacology, Indiana University, Doctor of Philosophy, Clinical and Biochemistry and Clinical Nutrition, American Medical Institute, Doctor of Naturopathic Medicine, University of Miami, Diplomat, Naturopathic Medicine. Publications: over 30 publications in various medical, nutritional, trade, and commercial papers and journals, including a featured doctor in Suzanne Summers' books Breakthrough and Knockout. Fellowships: the International Society of Gastroenterology, American Association of Clinical Oncology, American College of Clinical Pharmacology, American Academy of Naturopathy of Homeopathic Medicine, British Institute of Homeopathy, Infinity Center for Advanced Integrative Metabolic Medicine. Clinical experience: over 30 years experience in applied pharmacology and biochemistry. Over 15 years experience as a clinical naturopathic and homeopathic physician. 10 years experience as a clinical instructor at University of Wisconsin, University of Colorado, UCLA, University of Southern California, and Stanford. I'm going to go to his second page here. Some of the things that he's done: original member of the blood biopsy team, blood chemistry studies for the chronic problems at Michigan State University College of Medicine and the University of Wisconsin Hospital and Clinics. Clinical rotations in clinical oncology, cancer, infectious diseases, pediatrics, trauma, ophthalmology, and internal medicine. Co-developer of Rocky Mountain Poison Control Center, Denver, Colorado. Original user of saliva studies to track free and bound hormones. Fellowship in clinical toxicology, University of Austin in Texas. Former advisor to Kaiser Permanente Hospital and Clinics. Original developer of clinical pharmacy and pharmacology fellowships, the University of Colorado School of Medicine and Denver General Hospital. Clinical advisor to Masters Circle Clinic Groups, New York. 25 years experience in complementary, alternative, and traditional medicine. Fellowship in cardiovascular pharmacology, VA Hospital at Wadsworth Clinical, UCLA Hospital and Clinics. Nationally known expert in chronic and acute hyperthyroid and hypothyroid dysfunction and pituitary abnormalities. Member of the Infinity Center for Advanced Integrative Metabolic Medicine. Candidate for the degree of Doctor of Naturopathic Medicine from the American Naturopathic Medicine Medical Institute in Dallas, Texas. Oh, it's kind of a mouthful here. Diplomat and Fellow in Clinical Homeopathy from the British Institute of Homeopathy, Dr. Trevor Cook in London, England.